kung saan kang ngayon. Alright. Pa-comment naman guys. Can I see comments from what country are you from? Nasa Pinas ba? Nasa saan country ba kayo nanonood ngayon guys? Alright. Ayan. Para at least ma-acknowledge natin yung mga andito. There you go. Maraming salamat. We have from Qatar, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Qatar. Hi, Coach Nars. Ayan, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our founder, Coach Nars. Ayan, thank you. We also have Coach Jedaline from UAE. Ayan, from Singapore, Australia, Jeddah, Singapore, Canada. Ang dami. All around the globe. Bahrain. Ayan, thank you so much, no? And congratulations kasi kayo talaga yung mga napili para at least maka-attend sa free Forex webinar natin tonight. And of course, we will see to it na your time is not gonna be wasted, no? Kasi alam ko kung meron mang isang bagay na hindi kayang ibalik hindi kayang ibalik ng pera, and that is time. And we will make sure na pag natapos tong event na to, something is may mga pagbabago or may value na ma-add up sa inyo. All right? Ayan, we also have from Philippines, Hong Kong, Saudi Arabia. And of course, sa lahat ng hahabol pa, maybe you have friends, family members na narinig to, you can let them join this. All right? So, let's proceed, no? By the way, ano muna, show ko muna yung slide ko. All right. There you go. All right. So, there you go. All right. So, again, welcome to Forex Intro and Cheat Codes. So, tonight, guys, bago ako mag-next slide, no, may konting favor lang ako. Okay? Number one is keep your minds open. Kasi maybe some of you may mga experience na, may mga negative or positive experience na mahirapan kasi tayo na madagdagan yung mga learnings and knowledge natin tonight if we are not open. Okay? As I always say, no? Parang ano lang 'yan, yung utak natin, parang kamay lang natin 'yan. No? Once it's closed, no matter what you put in there, hindi niya matatanggap. Kung blessings man yung ibibigay ni Lord, hindi niya matatanggap kasi naka-close yung kamay niya. But once you're open, you're willing, no, na may madagdag sa iyo, pag naka-open yung kamay mo, anytime may bubuhos na blessing, anytime it can add to your life. So again, no, maybe you've experienced trading or may mga iba't ibang mga ano na tayo dito, no? But please, I pray and I hope na you keep your minds and hearts open. All right? Ayos ba tayo diyan? Okay ba tayo diyan? Pangalawa, no, focus muna tayo. Alam ko marami kayong ginagawa, yung iba nasa work, baka yung iba may mga inaasikaso pa. But this is just gonna be quick, no? Kasi baka at the end of the day, sayang yung mga learnings na hindi natin ma-absorb. Okay? And last but not the least, okay lang ba tonight we acknowledge the Lord, no? We'll say a short prayer para at least, no, grateful tayo sa fellowship na binigay ni Lord sa atin, no? So, let's put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord, Heavenly Father God, we just want to thank you, God. We just want to praise you. Thank you for making things possible. Salamat po, Lord, na merong ganitong online na gathering na hindi na po kami mahirapan para matuto when it comes to Forex. Salamat, Lord, na hindi nag-run out ngayon. Salamat sa internet. Salamat, Lord, sa buhay ng mga taong andito, Lord, na yung puso nila is still very willing to learn. And for sure, God, those learnings, those seeds that you planted, please help us, Lord, na mag-grow yun. Pag-grow nun, Lord, para lahat po sa pamilya nila, yung buhay nila, may mga positive changes na mababago. Lalo na this 2025. This we all ask in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. All right. Again, welcome to Forex Intro and Cheat Codes. All right, disclaimer lang po. Okay? Ayan. Disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investments in our community. Okay? We do not tolerate that. Hindi po kasama sa sistema ng community namin na may magsasabi sa inyo, oh, mag-invest ka sa akin and I will trade your money kasi magaling na ako or sobrang experience ko na trader. That's a big no-no po sa community natin. All right? What we do here, we're gonna educate you. Yung sistema po natin dito is more of education, no? Para matuto po kayo at kayo po mag-trade sa sarili niyong pera. Okay? Are we clear on that? Again, hindi po kami nagpapa-invest ng pera kasi bakit? That's number one, isa yan sa red flag po na makikita natin when it comes to sa mga scams. And that's very, very common. Alright? So dito, we encourage you, imomold tayo para maging efficient na mga traders. Alright? And also, for those people na andito, I know you're an OFW, busy kang tao, no? Kasi lalo na, iba-iba yung time zone natin dito. Marami din dito employees, no? We truly understand. If you do not really have the time, don't worry because meron kaming sagot para sa inyo later on. Alright? So, ayos ba tayo dyan? Okay? Now, by the way, I'd like to introduce myself. No? So, I'm MJ Canoy. I'm from Iligan City. So, I graduated from MSU IIT. Excuse me po. I'm an IT professional and for 10 years nasa distribution business din po ako and kaya po kami nagkakilala ni Coach Nars kasi nag-e-commerce din po tayo dati, may mga rental businesses and lahat naman siguro ngayon ba vloggers na ba? Actually kami po ng partner ko, we're also aspiring content creator. If you can check it, you can check us out. Our page po is Wondercoop. And I started my forex trading journey last 2018. Okay? So maraming ups and downs. I will share later on kung anong nangyari sa akin. Okay? And also, I'm one of the founder of Madiskarteng Pinoy Community. Okay? So right now, I'm not employed. Marami lang pong somehow na-bless ni Lord ng mga businesses. And I'm very glad because isa po to na nakakatulong sa akin financially, no? Si forex trading. All right? So, ito yung hugot ko sa buhay, no? I'm pretty sure kung bakit tayo andito ngayon, hindi lang naman para sa atin, no? But for the family that we truly love, no? My father pala is an OFW. Until now, no? He's in Jubail, Saudi Arabia for I believe 21, 22 years. And my mother is a public school teacher. Yung brother ko po is a electrical engineer, no? And my partner, si Marge, is a registered nurse. So, they are my motivation kaya po mas ginagalingan ko po sa buhay. All right? So, right now, I'd like to make a survey kasi dalawa po yung pag-uusapan natin. The part 1 is the basic forex and the part 2 will be the cheat codes. Okay? Now, tanong ko lang guys, sino dito type number 1 if you are a newbie or someone na wala pa talagang experience sa forex trading or naririnig mo lang pero never ka pang nag-try. You type number 1. But if you're someone na na-experience mo na mag-forex trading, mag-open ng broker, mag-execute ng trades, kindly comment down number 2. Okay, yan. Alam nyo, mas nagugustuhan namin ng mga speakers yung mga active na mga attendees. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment. Ayan. All right, thank you. Number 1. Mostly number 1. All right, totally understand. Okay. So since marami po sa atin talaga are mga newbies, wala pa talagang experience, pasensya na po kung merong mga number 2 pero baka lang hindi nag-type, nahihiya. I'd like to focus more on the newbies. Okay lang ba yon? Kasi later on, may mga level up naman din tayo ng mga trainings. All right? Maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment, okay? Now, I have a question for you guys. Okay? Another question na naman, coach. Of course, let's make this more interactive para at least marinig ko din kayo, okay? Forex, is it risky or not? Ano sa tingin nyo? Ano sa tingin nyo? Risky ba siya or hindi? Sige nga, I want to hear from you. Yes, sabi ni Miss Carmelita. Ayan, sabi ni Minkay, risky. Yes, okay. Now, I agree with you. Forex is risky. Okay? Kaya po sa mga andito and you're not someone na risk taker, I believe this is not for you. Okay? Because, no, what I want you to focus, Forex is risky, but Forex is also very, very rewarding. Okay? Sabi nga, di ba? High risk, high reward. Low risk, low reward. Pero, Ganun talaga sa buhay, 'di ba? For example, if you're an OFW, okay? Bago ka pumunta sa bansang pinagtatrabahuan mo ngayon, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa iyo diyan. Is it risky? Yes, but you will never know unless you try it. Tama? Now, another concept, when you say risk kasi, parang ganito. Sa forex kasi very risky siya pag wala kang alam. Okay? For example, alin ang mas risky? Ito someone who's driving na walang experience, walang license, or someone na merong experience at merong license? Alin doon ang mas risky? Yung sumakay ka sa nagda-drive na walang license at never pang naka-experience mag-drive. Or sumakay ka doon sa driver na may kotse, nagda-drive na, at may license pa. Would you agree with me mas risky yung number 1, yung walang license at walang experience? Yes, that's very risky. At the same time, same goes with forex trading. Mahihirapan ka talaga at very risky sa'yo if wala ka pang alam. Okay? If wala kang knowledge. Alright? Masusunugan at masusunugan ka talaga. But I believe so, not everyone is for forex trading. Kasi nga, again if feel free to leave the room if you're not comfortable with taking risk in life. Kasi I believe naman po, walang nabago yung buhay, walang naging successful sa buhay na hindi nag-take ng risk. Everything is risk. Okay? It's up to you on how you will take advantage of it. Alright? Okay? So, dito guys, again, very, very rewarding. Pag alam mo na, pag natututo ka na. Okay? So, yun yung goal natin, matuto ka. Okay? Now, why Forex? Bakit ang ganda ng Forex? Simply because digital business lang siya. Yes, it's a business. It's a buy and sell business of currencies. Okay? So, ang kagandahan dito, pwede mo siyang gamitin online. Pwede mong gamitin yung cellphone mo. Wala naman sigurong nakaka-attend dito na keypad pa yung gamit, 'di ba? Lahat naman siguro yung cellphone nyo ngayon may internet na, 'di ba? Now, second, flexible lifestyle. Bakit siya flexible? Around the globe eh. Hindi siya limited to Philippines lang. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, sir, Philippines lang ba tayo? Ano lang ba tayo? Huwag kang mag-alala kasi pag Forex, anywhere around the world, you can do it. Global po siya. Okay? Kung nagta-travel ka, pwede kang mag-trade, no? Pwede kang mag-scalp trade. Pwede kang kumita pa din, 'di ba? Gusto mo naman ano ka lang nasa bahay ka lang, pwede. All right? So very flexible. Meron nga kaming kasama, he's 67 years old habang nasa airport sila kasi magte-train sa Manila ng forex trading din. Nag-trade siya sa airport, paglapag niya ng Manila, may kita na eh. So very, very flexible, di ba? Third, low startup cost. Okay? When you say low startup cost, kayang-kaya kahit sino. Okay? Pero, of course, kahit marami ka pang pera, we do not suggest you put in all your money agad-agad. Lalo na kung wala ka pang idea. Kasi useless yung dami ng pera mo kung hindi mo alam paano gagawin si forex trading. Alright? Are we clear on that? Excuse me. Hindi din necessary na sobrang yaman mo para mag-start ka. Anyone can start. Did you know, siguro mga high school, senior high school ngayon, nagfo-forex na. As in. So sobrang ganda talaga ng it's a very high time to check on forex trading. All right? Number 4, high earning potential. Na kahit maliit lang yung startup mo, it can grow fast and it can grow big. Okay? And last but not the least, no experience needed. We will not look into your background. We will not look into your age, gender, kahit sino ka pa. As long as you're willing dito po sa community natin, pwedeng-pwede. Alright? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Type naman number 5 if klarong-klaro yung pinag-usapan natin. Ayan. Okay. Now, what is Forex? Okay? So, Forex is foreign exchange. Okay? Ang abbreviation na Forex is what we call foreign exchange. So, again, it's the buy and sell of currencies. So, if you notice this, no? Ito yung pinaka-common na nakikita natin. So, 'Di ba? When I went to Japan last year, no, June. So, hindi pwedeng gamitin yung ano ko, yung peso ko doon, 'di ba? All I need to do is I need to buy yen kasi yun yung currency doon. So, the fact na bumili ako, may income na doon yung mga foreign exchange. Would you agree with me? 'Di ba? Ito yung pinaka-basic concept nito. Okay? Kung na US ka, dollars, 'di ba? Kung bumili ka ng cheaper, pag nabenta mo ng mas malaki, may income ka. All right? So, second, it's the largest financial market in the world. Okay? Can you just imagine as of today as we speak, no? Nasa around 7.5 trillions of dollars are traded every day. Sobrang laki niya. It's a global market. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, it's the most liquid business in the world. Yung in and out ng money, sobrang laki. Sobrang liquid. Kaya when you hear people na mag-o-offer sa inyo, someone that will tell you na mag-invest ka sa Forex or mag-start ka sa Forex, very red flag po yung magsasabi na may holding time. When you say holding time, sasabihin sa'yo, after 1 week, kikita ka na ng ganito, pero hindi mo pa siya mawi-withdraw. Diba? May mga naririnig ka bang ganon? Pagka ano na naman, 1 month lang, 2 months lang, mawi-withdraw mo na, ganito na yung pwedeng kitain. You know what? Since liquid si Forex, anytime, pag legit yung broker mo, you can withdraw it anytime. Okay? Kaya be very careful. So, I believe the best you can really learn right now during this webinar, hindi ka na maloloko. You will save, makakasave ka ng pera kasi alam mo hindi ka na mas-scam. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-the best dito. Kaya matututo ka nang mag-check kung red flag to or hindi. 'Di ba? Next, it operates 24/5. Bakit po on the weekends? Kaya nga kanina tapos na po kaming mag-trade. Weekend na, it's Saturday here, so tapos na, no? Pero of course, sa other countries, yung ibang sessions hindi pa natatapos. Pero pag weekend, wala pong market, okay? So except for BTC USD, okay? And available on any smart devices. You know what before, guys, just an info, yung mga retail traders like us, no, we are not allowed, yung individuals, to trade. But because nag-level up na din, no, marami ng mga, yung technology nag-level up na, right now, we are very grateful na allowed na tayo. Kasi dati, government lang, central banks, yung financial institutions, sila lang yung allowed na mag-trade sa market. Kaya ngayon, alam mo na, 'di ba? It's a blessing. Kasi at least hindi ka na malilimitahan na ay yung forex yung mayayaman lang naman diyan eh. Yung mga big institutions lang naman diyan. No, everyone can trade right now. Okay? So, are we learning? Okay? So, again, it's the buy and sell, no? Parang ano lang din, 'di ba? Parang ganito. Okay? Again, bumili ka ng dollar at 50 pesos, pag nabenta mo, tumaas yung dollar at 58 pesos, may 8 pesos ka na profit. But can you just imagine if marami pa yung volume ng dollars na binili mo? So mas malaki pa yung kita mo. But the question is, if the price goes down, will you still make money? On the traditional way, hindi. Talo ka. Kaya i-hold mo muna. But since we are trading globally, yes, you can still make money. Because sa forex trading, you can hear this buy position and sell position. Again, pag fino-forecast mo yung market na tataas, ang tawag dyan, buy. Once you're forecasting the market na it's going down, it's sell. Ayos ba tayo doon? Again, pag tataas, fino-forecast mo na aakyat yung yung market, it's buy. Pag pababa, it's sell. Okay? Now, these are the major currencies na pairs. Okay? Usually, makikita nyo bakit sila major kasi it's tied up with dollars. Okay? But we also have, later on, may explain yan, no? Mga indices, yung US 30, kung naririnig nyo din sa forex trading ngayon, very high, high time ngayon yung USD gold, no? Gold USD, no? So, eto siya. Okay? Marami yan na iti-trade nyo, yung pairs na yan. Okay? Now, another thing you take note, no, is the terms TP, which is take profit. Again, TP, take profit. SL, stop loss. Okay? Ano bang meaning niyan? Okay? Once na-reach mo na yung profit mo, automatically, pag nag-close yan, that's take profit. Or once you're earning, take profit mo na. Okay? Now, ano na naman yung stop loss? Si stop loss, yan yung limit mo. Security mo siya when it reaches to a particular price na hindi na malaki yung possible mong matalo. So, may ganun sa Forex, okay? A stop loss order is used to reduce a trader's loss para makukompute mo na yung possible mong talo if hindi mo nakuha yung goal mo na movement ng market. Okay? Now, question, sir, meron ba ding talo sa trading? Forex trading? Kahit anong trading, meron ba? Yes. Okay? If someone tells you na sasabihin niya 100% kumikita ako, wala akong talo. Good news. That's another way to spot a walking red flag or a red flag. Pag sasabihin ng tao na wala siyang talo, tapos nagbibigay lang siya ng signal, mga ganyan, you know what? Be very careful. Alright? So, malabo po na sa forex trading walang talo. Kasi kung merong ganon, sana lahat tayo panalo na lang parati. No? But, we have this what we call profitability. So, hindi ka man matatalo ka man, pero at least mataas pa din yung profitability mo kung alam mo na kung paano yung mga tamang ways to forecast the market. All right? Are we clear on that? Okay. Now, question. Okay, I have a question with you. Eto guys. Ano kaya yung tinake ng trader or ano yung position na tinake ng trade na to? Okay? As you can see guys, may mga red, may mga ganyan. This is what we call candlesticks. Okay? Dito mo makikita yung movement ng market. Pag paakyat, meaning it's buy. Pag pababa, it's sell. Okay? Now, question, sa ginawa ng trader na to or yung position ng trade na to, ano yung fino-forecast niya? Since paakyat, ano yung fino-forecast niya? Okay? Paakyat. Ano nga? Pag paakyat, okay? It's buy. Yes, tama. Now, bakit siya buy? Okay? Kung makikita niyo dito guys, ito siya. Kasi nung time na tinake nito, wait lang ha. Dito lang ako sa annotate saglit. Okay? Ayan, okay? Now, etong part na to, ito yung entry niya. Okay? Oops, wait lang. This is what we call the entry zone. Ito yung part wherein dun siya naglagay ng position ng trade. Okay? Ito siya sa 1.098554. Okay. Now, that means hindi niya pa to nakikita. Okay? When the trader executes this trade, ito, hindi pa to gumagalaw. Pero question, take profit ba siya dito or talo siya? Kumita ba siya sa trade na to or talo siya? What do you think? Okay? Since na-forecast niya, yung nilagay niya is TP, sabi ni dito, Mary kumita. Yes, TP siya. Kasi bakit? Finorcast niya na magbabay. Okay? Or tataas yung market. So, nagbuy siya dito. So, hindi niya pa to nakikita, pero nagmo-move yan until it reaches to the first target, TP1, kita siya dyan. Okay? Pero dalawa yung TP niya. So, meron siyang TP2, dumaan na lang dyan. Pagka-hit nito, another TP na naman. Okay? Pag nag-buy ka, nasa taas yung TP mo. Tapos, nasa baba yung SL mo. Okay? So, thank you. May mga nagko-comment. I believe you are learning already, guys, ha? Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Now, let's proceed. Okay. Ito naman, I have a question for you. Okay? Ito, ano yung tinake na position ng trade na to? Okay? Sige nga. I want to see comments. Yan, mas maganda. Ano naman yung finorcast ng trade na to? Okay, very good. It's sell. It's going down. Ibig sabihin, yung position na to is nilagay dito. Ito yung entry niya. Dito siya nag-sell. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya pa to nakita kanina. Itong mga candlestick na to. So, yung stop loss niya nasa taas. Ano bang purpose nito? Pag kunwari, nag-reverse yung market, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi talaga 100% kasi hindi natin hold kung ano yung movement, yung demand and supply kasi to ng currencies. Paano pag nag-reverse, na-hit to, stop loss siya, talo siya. Pero since tama yung forecast niya, no? Kasi may mga ano yan, mga bearish engulfing, may mga later on madidiscuss ko yan. Tama yung pag-take niya ng trade. So ibig sabihin dito, na-hit yung TP1, next naman na-hit yung TP2. Okay? So ayan, pagkadating dito, nag-hit, income na siya dyan. Profit na siya dyan. Alright? So are we learning? Again, dito siya nag-entry. Wala pa tong mga candlestick na to. Magmo-move yan, magmo-move. Pagka-hit ng TP1, income na. Bumaba na naman, nag-set na naman siya ng TP2, hinayaan niya lang, na-hit yung TP2, good news, profitable siya. Alright? So, ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment. Alright, let's go. Let's proceed. Malapit na tayong matapos, guys. Now, these are the types of market analysis. Okay, we have the fundamental, the technical, and sentimental. Very basic when it comes to sentimental. Yung demand ng ganito, for example, tama ba tataas yung presyo ng mga bilihin or let's just say plane ticket every time December? Tama? Agree ba kayo dyan? Mga bilihin, yung plane ticket, kasi mataas yung demand. So, yun yung sentimental type ng market analysis, okay? But we have this very common, the fundamental. No? Ano ba yung fundamental? Ito naka-base on the mga news. Okay? May mga tinatawag tayo na high impact news. So, you will know it or it will give you a good hint kung ito direct impact kasi ito, lalo na ngayon USD CAD, no, yung sa Canadian na mga tariff nila, medyo may magulo sila. So makikita mo yung news na yon, it will directly impact their economy. Okay? So kasama yon, no? So wag ka lang mag-alala kasi dito yung mga news na yan, hindi mo na isa-isa yan na isi-search, okay? May mga website na sila na mismo magbibigay ng mga updates sa news kung you are more of a fundamental trader, okay? Meron naman din tayong tinatawag na more of a technical trader, no? So which solely relies on the charts, no? Mga candlestick yan, mga technical analysis yung nakikita nyo. But bear with me, no? Ako kasi dati, nung nakikita ko yung mga ganito, natatakot talaga ako kasi sabi ko, hindi pa naman ako magaling sa math. Paano kaya to? Don't worry guys, kasi may mga patterns yan, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, lahat maaaral naman. So may mga yan, bearish flag. Yan, eto may mga makikita nyo na nag-breakout, retest entry. May mga patterns, mga falling wedge, symmetrical triangle. 'Di ba? Very overwhelming kung makikita niyo talaga. Sino dito pag nakikita yung mga ganito, uy, parang ano ako diyan parang kaya ko kaya yan. You know what? That's how I really felt before when I was on my trading journey. Parang sabi ko, ang dami ko namang i-memorize, 'di ba? Yes, forex can be complicated. It's complicated talaga. But I have a question for you. You wanna make it easier this time? Yes or no? I have a question for you. Want it much easier this time? Okay? Now, simple lang. Easier solution, yan yung pag-uusapan natin, ang cheat codes. Okay? Now, when it comes to cheat codes sa forex trading, this time, medyo may konting background lang ako or story muna ako i-share sa inyo. Alright? So, yung person na may blue arrow na yan, actually, he's someone na I really look up into when it comes to business. Actually, na-interview tong taong to sa RDR Talks. If you're familiar with RDR, mostly yung ini-interview na dyan are mga businessmen, businesswoman, no? Mga successful sa negosyo nila. I've known this person since, I believe, 2017. Yan. I've seen him at the peak of his career nung condo siya na sobrang mahal, meron siyang mga sports car, milyon-milyon yung kinikita niya. And I've also joined yung ibang ventures niya na nag-fail, no? And I've seen yung tipong nakita mo yung tao na sobrang galing sa hirap, sobrang yumaman, naghirap at ngayon yumaman na naman ulit. And yun yung journey ng taong to. And honestly guys, ako din, ganun din yung nangyari sa akin eh. When it comes to really sa Forex, I started 2018. However, no, na-scam ako. Hindi ako mahiyang magsabi sa inyo because I'm grateful for that experience. Kasi if not, walang makakapag-introduce sa akin ng Forex. Alam nyo guys, legit si Forex. It's just that meron lang talagang mga tao na talagang who takes advantage of it in a negative way. Kaya be very careful, be very mindful, no? Na wag niyong ibibigay yung pera niyo kahit kanino. Mas maganda ikaw yung in control, okay? And when I've heard of his story, nasabi niya meron siyang 26 million na utang. Sino dito may mga utang? Taas yung kamay. 'Di ba? Now, okay lang 'yan. Okay lang 'yan kasi bakit? Nung narinig ko yung story niya, I can vividly remember I was driving my car, no? When I was listening to his story, I can just imagine 26 million. Sino dito mas malaki pa yung utang sa kanya, yung 26 million na yan? 'Di ba? Kung ako, meron akong 26 million, di na nga ako makatulog eh. And imagine niyo guys yes, grabe yung story niya. From 26 million to this time, bayad lahat ng utang. And right now, he's flourishing back his life. He's getting back on his life because of Forex trading. And can you just imagine? Sabi ko, ano kasi dalawa yung nangyari sa akin. 2018, I was scammed. Second, hindi na ako na-scam, pero medyo mali yung ginawa ko kasi medyo since aggressive nga ako, gusto kong yumaman agad, mali pala yung may mga bot na sinasalihan ka tapos gusto mo 20, 30, 40% agad yung kita kasi malaki din yung risk ng drawdown. So, I told myself, ano ba yung ginagawa niya? And gladly, he's connected with Coach Nars. Etong pinaka-right side, yung founder natin, no? Magkakilala pala sila kasi si Sir Edsel, yung sabi ko sa inyo na interview ng RDR, is a student of Coach Nars sa Forex. Sa e-commerce dati. Ako din, student din ako ni Coach Nars. So, very small world. I am just really blessed because magkakilala sila, na sharean din ako ni Coach Nars nito. And right now, guys, because of this because of this community, mas naging magaan yung journey ko sa forex trading. Lalo na pag mag-isa ka lang sa trading journey mo, yung nagse-search ka lang sa YouTube, ikaw lang mag-isa, nag-aantay-antay ka lang ng signal kung ano-ano. You know what? That's really something very challenging, ha? Kaya I really admire those people na andito na talagang kung may journey ka when it comes to ikaw lang, you know what? It's very, very challenging. Pero isa lang yung pwede kong i-ano sa'yo, i-share sa'yo. I believe it's about time na mag-open ka na at least may community ka. The community can really help you out. No? Yung may makakilala ka, kung matalo ka man, sabay-sabay kayong matatalo, or at least may mapaglalabasan ka, talo ako ngayon, talo din ako. Pero pag paldo ka naman, may mabibigyan ka din ng ng energy, 'di ba? So maganda 'yon, all right? Now, to cut the long story short, I'm almost done. Now, what happened to me? Actually, si Coach Nars at si Coach Edsel, meron pala silang tinatawag na cheat codes. And later did I know, ito pala yung ginagawa nila, kaya kumikita sila. Kaya pala nabayaran ni Coach Edsel yung utang niya dahil sa cheat codes na i-share ko sa inyo tonight. Alright? Are you excited? Type naman number 1 dyan. Alright? Type naman number 1. If you're still listening, yan. Thank you so much. 'Di ba? May backstory. Lahat tayo may backstory kung bakit ka dito ngayon eh. 'Di ba? Either na-scam ka or either na-share ng kakilala mo kaya andito ka ngayon. But I believe all of us may may reason kung bakit ka andito. You're not here na wala lang. I believe andito ka ngayon sa lahat ng oras. Bakit 'di ba? Ikaw pa. Pwede naman may gagawin ka, pero imagine andito ka ngayon. Kaya congratulations. All right? So ito yung cheat codes, okay? Number 1, meron palang AI tools, okay? Right now, 'di ba? Sobrang laking tulong sa atin ng mga ChatGPT, mga AI, tama ba? Now, Sa forex trading, meron na din po. Okay? Isa dyan is yung Manara Pattern Scanner, which is very useful for the manual trading, and yung robot trading or automate, para sa akin tinatawag ko auto trade. AI na siya, magte-trade para sa iyo. Alright? Now, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na pattern scanner, okay? Now, again, kung nakita nyo kanina, kung ikaw lang, ang dami mong i-memorize na mga patterns, no? Napakahirap nun kung wala ka pang idea. But for us to jumpstart, meron na pong AI. Okay? Meron nang magre-read ng pattern para sa'yo. Just like this, no? This is what we call the Manara. Maa-access mo to sa website, no, sa academy, okay? Now, wherein makita mo yung siya na yung magsasabi kung anong pattern, butterfly, bat, tapos pag complete na, magsasuggest siya kung strong sell or strong buy. So siya na mismo mag-a-analyze ng chart para sa iyo. Bakit malaking tulong yung ganitong mga AI? Simply because did you know that harmonic patterns helps traders to be profitable by over 70%. No? Kasi kung wala kang alam, kung hindi mo alam yung mga candlestick na yan na hammer na pala, doji na pala, those are simple indicators na saan papunta yung movement ng market. Tapos wala kang kaalam-alam. That means this Manara na AI, yung pattern scanner na to, this will help you na at least madali mo na siyang ma-analyze yung movement ng market. Alright? So, very highly accurate when you do harmonic patterns. Pag nababasa mo na at naiintindihan mo na yung harmonic patterns. So, for me, sobrang laking tulong nito. Alright? So, okay ba tayo dyan? Okay pa ba tayo dyan? So, eto siya guys, sobrang laking tulong nito. Alright? Ayan, complete. So, may mga fail din. Pag hindi na complete, hindi niya i-refer sa'yo na mag-take ka ng trade na yan. Alright? So, one example dito, ito, kumita yung trade na to ng $1,300 in profit. Kung may makikita kayo dito guys, hindi to nakapeso ha. Standard to USD. Okay? Now, $1,300 because of the AI pattern scanner. And I also met someone from Cebu. Her name is Ma'am Marichu. Sobrang na-amaze ako guys. Employee siya. She started sa academy last December and she earned last January 90,000 pesos because of this. Alam nyo, sobrang na-challenge ako kasi bakit? I'm very young. Si Ma'am Marichu nasa around almost 50s na siguro, early 50s. Pero alam nyo, mas alam niya pa kung paano gamitin to. Kasi ako medyo may isang favorite ako sa cheat codes na later on i-share ko sa inyo. Pero imagine, 50 years old, zero knowledge of forex trading, kumita ng 90,000 pesos dahil dito. Alright? Now, ito din, another thing, kumita ng 238,000 because of the help of the AI pattern scanner. Alright? Now, this is another thing. Pattern scanner movement ng trades. Can you just imagine 4,045 USD in just one day. That's 234,000 in just one day. That's how big you can earn when it comes to forex trading. Grabe. Now, another thing, ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga taong busy, no problem, no? Kasi we have this what we call wealth builder AI, tsaka we also have this wealth gainer AI, wherein you can just put on a starting capital of $300. Ang good news is auto trade na siya, automatic na siyang magte-trade sa inyo at compounding pa yung pag-grow ng money nyo. Now, MJ, proven and tested na ba yan? Yes. 2023, 2024, and ongoing po 2025. This is the current monthly analytics of that auto trade. Now, Sir MJ, saan ba ako magbabayad? Sa'yo ba? No. Because meron tayong broker, no, na regulated wherein dun ka gagawa ng account at let that account be traded by the AI. Okay? So, safe to say, ako kasi galing ako sa AI last 2021, 2020 ba yun? Very aggressive. Malaki yung kita, pero my God, hindi ka makakatulog. As in, I would rather go for something like this na safe Kasi bakit, 'di ba? Kaysa naman ilagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, tapos wala namang mangyari or ibili mo lang ng cellphone kung ano-ano, ilagay mo na lang dito, 'di ba? Pero again, invest what you are willing to lose. But good news, hindi ka magbibigay to someone ng pera mo. And imagine, may magte-trade na para sa'yo, 'di ba? Sounds good? For me, really, really good. All right? Now, eto siya, yung data ng AI na to. Can you just imagine, sobrang laki ng win rate niya. Yung drawdown niya, sobrang liit lang. All right? Now, second, ano yung una? AI tools. If you have that AI tools, mas mapapadali na natin. Second, we have this expert trader signal. Okay? Nung una akong sumali guys dito, sobrang nagustuhan ko to. Sobra talaga. Kasi can you just imagine, magbibigay lang ng signal para sa'yo. All you need to do is maglagay ka lang ng TP at SL. Ayan. Mag-message lang sa Telegram. Okay, bili ka ng ganito. Buy at this price. Tapos mag-a-advise pa o close nyo na, ganyan. So, sobrang ganda din ng tulong ng signals na to. Lalo na pag mako-combine mo to sa AI pattern scanner natin. Ayan. So, malaki din yung profitability niya, guys. And one of those who really took advantage of it is, one of them is si Sir Eman, 66 years old. Can you just imagine? He's 66 years old. Zero forex trading experience. Retiree kasi si Sir. So instead naghanap ng business, ang ginawa ni Sir, napunta siya sa forex trading. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, na sa airport, habang nag-aantay ng ng plane nila, ng flight nila, kumita pa. So imagine, if you are someone younger than Sir Eman, talagang matcha-challenge ka. Ayan, 'di ba? So yun yung mga trades niya. All right? Yan, meron pa dito, it is confirmed that all the signals given by the provider were 120% reliable. But alam nyo guys, kahit hindi nga 120%, kahit 70 to 80% lang, that's all good. Kasi again, wala namang 100% dito. Sabi dito, first time in my entire forex trading career na consistent yung earnings. Wow. Can you just imagine? Yan. Yan yung mga datas niya na 175 pips profit. Yan. Yan yung movement. Yan yung actually guys, yung pips, yan yung movement ng market na makikita nyo na earning talaga. Alright? So yan. Ano yung una? AI tools. Second is yung signals. Okay? Yung VIP signals. Number 3 is the academy. Now, bakit para sa akin sobrang laking tulong to? Kasi dati, search lang ako ng search sa YouTube. Kahit ano na yung sinesearch ko, sobrang nalilito na ako kung tama pa ba to or hindi. Ang kagandahan dito, once nasa academy ka, may basic at advanced forex. Meron pang masterclass. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na chart mastery na ginagawa natin every weekend. So, sobrang basic to really advance, no? Kahit sino ka talaga, kayang-kaya mo tong gawin. Alright? May mga recorded videos na, lahat andyan na, may mga tools na, alright? So, lahat meron na. Okay? May mga educators pa tayo, hindi lang Filipinos, but one of them, isa sa paborito ko, si Abdallah. He's an economist. So, nasa sa UAE siya ngayon. So, sobrang yung mga trainings nila nakatulong din sa amin. Alright? And eto si Edris, ayan si Abdallah, ano yan guys, nasa Instagram yan, sobrang sikat niyan. Kasama na yan sa magtuturo sa atin dito sa academy. And good news, bakit? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, may paborito ako sa cheat codes na to eh. Ikaw na lang talaga ma-overwhelm sa cheat codes, as in. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Ito yung access sa live trading with Abdallah. Can you just imagine? Alam nyo dati, sabi ko, sino kayang mga forex trader dito? Gusto ko sabay-sabay kami mag-trade. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Yung offline ka, tuturuan, geto ganyan, kasi mas maganda yung offline. Did you know, dito ko na-appreciate yung online. Kasi you can work at your own pace. If you're an OFW, pwede mong i-replay lahat ng videos. And at the same time, merong live trading ni Abdallah na sasabayan mo na lang siya when to buy and when to sell. And good news, it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. And bakit ko siya paborito? Kasi negosyante ako, busy akong tao. And what fits for me is yung scalping strategy niya na natutunan ko talaga. Sobrang profitable ako. And I'm really glad because can you just imagine 5 to 10 minutes lang. And Hindi yun yung tipong sasabihin mo sa akin, ay, paano pag may delay? Paano pag may ano sa Zoom? Wala kang internet connection, hindi mo siya marinig masyado, ganyan. Good news guys, kasi yung, how do I say this? Yung strategy niya is andun din sa portal, sa academy. In-explain niya yon kung how he takes the trades. And meron din tayong mga chart mastery na talagang tinuro kung paano nagtitake ng trade si Abdallah na kahit may delay man, nakatingin ka lang sa chart niya, kikita at kikita pa, kikita ka pa din. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga. Kanina actually medyo natagalan nga siya kasi right after he takes the trade, nag-share pa talaga siya ng inputs, nag-question and answer pa talaga siya. So, eto yung pinaka-paborito ko, no? So, marami, no? Again, meron tayo, eto, pakita ko.
So guys, kahit walang experience dito sa forex trading, may nagsasabay ka lang yung sasabihin niya or magbabay ka. Napakasimple but guys,
Grabe guys, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Pag lumabas dito guys, sa paisong pagpay na kaagad kayo.
hindi ako nagpapastos guys ng ganun, pero
Like natin guys, so if you want to learn more about forex trading,
Eto guys, share ko lang, ayan, si Abdallah, he really posts his wins and losses. But then again, ever since nag-trade ako, di ko pa naalala kung kailan siya nag-loss. No, grabe, as in talagang na-perfect niya yung strategy na yan, na sinishare niya talaga sa academy natin. Alright? So, eto guys, may mga kakilala talaga ako na kumikita ng 100,000, 200,000 isang gabi lang dahil sa strategy na to. And it's very overwhelming kasi eto guys, another thing, no? Eto hindi lang to kay Abdallah but overall to. Eto yung feedback ng mga kasama namin din sa community, no? Ayan, just like Miss Jedaline, hi Coach Jedaline, I know you're here. Sabi niya dito, absent ako today. She's an OFW. Yung anak niya din nasa UAE. Can you just imagine habang nagtatrabaho, pagka-uwi may anak pa na inalagaan, pero she still gives time to trade. Absent ako today dahil pumuputok ang ubo ko, pero trade is life. Pang isahang buwan na din ang profit ko. I'm not not more than 4 hours, naka $744 siya. Can you just imagine? In not more than 4 hours, may sakit pa yan, 42,000 in just 4 hours. Because again, Forex, when learned, is a very high paying skill. Skill siya guys, skill siya. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Coach Jedaline nandyan. Alright, ito din, another, no? So, dito, sabi niya, kumita siya ng $1,200. Ano yan? Manara lang. Manara ang gamit niya. Can you just imagine yung AI tools natin na AI pattern scanner? Alright? Now, lahat ng yan guys, lahat ng to, yung AI tools, yung Manara pattern scanner, yung auto trade na magte-trade na para sa'yo, yung expert signal, yung basic advanced, yung ECA, no? Ito yung calibrated academy natin, lahat ng yan. And the live training, all in all, kasama na sa cheat codes that really help us jumpstart our Forex trading journey. Alright? Sobrang nakatulong talaga to. Okay? Now, MJ, if I may ask, may payment ba yan? Yes. Okay? Now, wala na ang paligoy-ligoy, yes, because did you know, okay, for you to learn formal Forex class, in the Philippines, may mga nasalihan ako dati, talagang hiniheld pa yan sa hotel. Sino naka-experience yan? Hindi ko na lang i-mention yung pangalan. Did you know that they offer 70 to 150K for the basic course, yung advanced naman 400,000, at kailangan mo pang magpunta sa Makati for a week just to learn, no? At hindi mo naman makukuha agad-agad lahat ng yan in just a week. Pero ganyan kamahal ang Forex class, guys. Okay? Now, good news, kasi bakit? Just like you and me, 'di ba? Alam naman natin na yung pera na yan sobrang laki, pero baka nga mas mahal pa yung cellphone mo sa 70,000 na course na to eh. 'Di ba? Now, good news sa inyo kasi instead of paying 70,000 pesos to 400,000 pesos for you to access everything at once, you can have it for as low as $645. Okay? Yung tools, yung VIP signals, yung ECA, yung live trading na every night gabi-gabi po meron pong live trading na sasabayan mo si Abdallah. Kanina, naka $200 tayo, not bad. $645. So, for 6 months na yan, guys. Now, MJ, $645 worth it ba? Now, lahat ng yun makukuha mo. For me, it's really, really worth it. Kung kikita naman ako ng mas malaki, why not? Kasi guys, imagine, 'di ba? Walang halong pagma-mindset 'to. Nagbayad nga tayo sa college na hindi tayo siguradong makakapagtrabaho or magkano yung sahod natin. Ito pa kaya? We're not here to get good grades. We're here to get good money. And not just money. We are here to get that financial freedom that we want to. Baka ikaw yung taong pagod na sa pagtatrabaho and you wanted to make more time sa family mo. Number one, Forex is very flexible. Why not, di ba? Ngayon, nasa bahay lang ako. The whole day, nasa bahay lang ko. I'm with my family. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito. And that 645 for me, siguro, kung nasa around, ano lang yan, 645 times HSC 58, nasa around 37,000. Question, magkano gastos nyo sa college? Magkano gastos natin sa formal education? Tapos magkano lang yung kinikita? No offense ha, pero for me, $645 is really good. For 6 months mo nang ma-access lahat ng to. Now, question, who among you here, comment naman if you're interested. If you don't have $645, it's okay, no? Comment dyan, interested. If you're interested na wala ka pang $645, thank you. Okay lang, comment ka pa din. Yan. We have Sir Randy. Ayan, I'm very interested. Thank you, no? I love these people commenting interested. Kasi I believe so, if you are onto the learning before the earning, you're someone na talagang kikita ka ng malaki sa forex trading. But kung ikaw yung tipo, nakikita ka na, yun yung goal mo, kita, bago ka mag-invest sa learning mo, I believe hindi ka tatagal sa ganitong industry. Kasi si forex, it's a continuous learning. Alright? Pero, of course, no? Hindi naman lahat merong $645. Pero ako guys, if I were you, go for this. If you're really committed na may pagbabago sa this 2025, go for $645 if I were you. Okay? But, of course, I truly understand, hindi naman lahat kaya agad, no? Kasi dito guys, mako-compare nyo, may iba din nag-o-offer. Nasa 1,499, nasa 1,800. Ibang ano to guys, ibang academy to na nag-o-offer. Now guys, good news. If you don't have yet the 645, you can go for as low as $149. If you just want to check it out, you can start with $149. You can access for 1 month. Okay? 1 month. Now, ano yung $99? Okay, kaklaruhin ko lang. It's like Netflix subscription siya. If you wanna proceed on the next month na $99, you can still access everything. Pwede kang magbayad ng $99. Okay? Para mag-proceed siya on the next month. Now, sir, yung $149 ba, is it gonna be worth it? Guys, yung $149 na yan, nasa around 8,800 if I'm not mistaken. Pag na-scam ka, alin yung mas malaki yung mawawala? Nagbayad ka ng $149, natuto ka, hindi man lahat matutunan mo at once. Baka ma-perfect mo lang yung kay Abdallah or nagustuhan mo yung Eka kasi sobrang dami. As in, ikaw na lang malulula sa lahat ng mga ibibigay sa'yo eh. For me, it's very worth it. Pag kumita ka, magkano na lang naman yung 149 tsaka 99? I mean, yung $99 na subscription. 'Di ba? You get the point? 'Di ba? Do not hold back when it comes to investing on your skills. 'Di ba? So, $149, you can access it for a month. Okay? You can enroll to the academy by just $149 or the $645. Pili ka lang. Okay? Either this, sa mga magko-commit, if I were you, I will go for this. Kasi talagang, committed ka, di ba? But if you're someone na medyo testing the markets lang, medyo okay lang yung commitment mo, go for this. Go for $149. Now, everything, lahat ng to, the AI pattern scanner, VIP signals, basic advanced training, AI robot, copy trading, trading community, access to live trading, access to masterclass, lahat ng to you can access for $149. You know what? One of the greatest blessing na nangyari sa akin dito, Yung mindset talaga is, thank you Lord. Kasi bakit? Dahil dito, gusto ko simulan sa sarili ko na yung skill na to, kaya kong ipamana sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. Sa anak ko, sa apo ko, sa family ko, sa kapatid ko, sa partner ko, sa kapatid niya. Kasi bakit? Kung nanonotice nyo guys, halos lahat ng mayaman ngayon, ito yung way of earning din nila. Mostly mga OFW na nakaka-chat ko talaga, bakit sila napunta dito or bakit sila nagka-idea sa Forex? Kasi yung mga amo nila mismo na other nationalities, they know how to do Forex trading. You get the point? Tayo na yung game changer sa family natin. What will happen to you if you subscribe? Simple lang. Sabi niya dito, sabi ni Sir Jerome, first time kong mabawi yung mga losses niya. Sulit daw yung $149. Bawi naman siguro yung $149 niya sa 2,000 na profit niya eh. Okay na naman siguro yun, no? Di na naman siguro tayo choosy doon. Alright, I'm almost done. Bear with me, may good news ako sa inyo. May bonus ako mamaya. Okay. Ito, another din. No? Month of October of last year, this kasama natin sa community, she earned $18,000. Nasa around 1 million in 1 month trading. Can you just imagine? Babayad ka ng $149 o $645, but this is something that you will learn eventually, and the skill, can you just imagine again, ito yung posibleng kitain mo. However, no? Ay, yan, nakita niyo na yung good news eh. Paano po matuto mag-trade? Okay. Now, however, simple lang, no? If you're someone na mag-o-observe ka pa, no? Or maybe mag-ano ka pa, mag-iipon ka pa, I have a good news for you. Type nyo dyan good news. Type nyo dyan good news. Okay? Pa-comment naman dyan good news or type number 1. Okay? Medyo mataas yung good news eh. Type number 1. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment. If you're someone, no, na you're really interested, okay? Gusto mo nang mag-enroll or gusto mo pang mag-observe, we have good news for you. Why? Okay? You just reply to the page or person who gave you this link and tell them I joined the webinar. Para po makasama po kayo sa free community natin, sa GC natin, and also sa group page natin. Why? Bukas na bukas po, kakatapos lang kasi ng 2 days free Forex challenge natin na walang bayad, libre yun lahat. Bukas po, it will be uploaded sa GC and group page natin. So make sure, if you're here and you wanted to enroll, you wanted to observe, you wanted to take advantage of the community, reply to them na I joined the webinar. Huwag kang mag-comment dito sa Zoom, huwag kang mag-message sa akin, baka hanapin mo ako sa Facebook. Doon ka sa page na nag-message at nag-assist sa inyo, or sa tao na nag-send sa'yo ng link na to. Okay? Tell them I joined the webinar because bukas, imagine mo, lahat ng mga trainings doon, ma-access mo na. Okay? Pero iba pa din po yung cheat codes. And that's exclusive for the VIPs. Alright? So, again, bonus natin is for you to join RGC for free. Okay? And of course, no, you get a very, very supportive community. Yun yung pinakagusto ko dito. If you're from UAE right now, I'm not sure if may available slot pa, but by Sunday, they have an offline gathering. So maganda, if enrolled ka na, ma-take advantage mo yun. Ayan. So, yan yung community natin. Alright?
I've taken punches from great boxers. And I've also taken punches from life. I grew up with no house, no land, and no food. We had to work every day just so we could eat. As a young boy, life knocked me down, but it didn't knock me out. Years later, I became world champion, and I made it part of my mission to help others financially so they can build a better future. And that is why I am partnering with Economy so you can rise to greatness through the power of trading. Experience a change of life with Economy.
Guys, imagine, Senator Manny Pacquiao is also a believer of Forex trading in partnership with our academy. Grabe, palakpakan po natin yan. Grabe, no? Ibig sabihin guys, hindi lang po tayo yung nakakita ng opportunity, but siya mismo, he's really doing his best to educate Filipinos as well to know more about forex trading with the help of economy. All right? So again, lahat ng to you will get for $149 dollars only. But question, Sir MJ, if I will not enroll, okay lang, walang problema. But please remember, gusto mo magkumita sa trading pero ayaw mong mag-enroll, ito yung masasuggest ko.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Galing na yun kay Tatay Digong. Happy birthday pala. Guys, never ever do it. Never ever do it. Para ka lang nagagambling niyan, no? I tell you, masisira talaga buhay mo. Invest on your learnings first, all right? Because, 95% of the new traders fail because number one, insufficient education and knowledge. Wag mong unahin ang pera. Unahin mo ang matuto ka. All right? Nakita niya na kanina si Coach JL. All right? Now, eto na lang before I end, before I entertain questions. Feel free to ask questions, guys, ha. How much you get tomorrow is determined by how much you invest today. Okay? Now, you will tell me, Coach or Sir MJ, next month na lang, next month na lang, or maybe next week. You know what? There's nothing wrong. Nasa sayo yan kasi pera mo yan eh. Buhay mo yan. Okay? Pero one thing is for sure. If hindi ka mag-take action as soon as possible, mawawala na yung excitement mo. You will just take this for granted. Okay lang kasi nakasali na ako. No. You know what? The best thing to do right after this is to take action. Alam mo na ang gagawin. 'Di ba? Aanhin mo yung alam mo na yung lotto number na lalabas bukas. May ticket lotto number ka na, may nagsabi sa'yo ito yung lalabas bukas pero hindi ka tumaya, hindi ka pa din mananalo. So I tell you this. Take action. Take action. All right? So again, welcome and congratulations everyone. See you sa GC. And for question and answer, all right, I'll entertain questions. Let's see kung may mga tanong ba dito. I hope you learned something tonight. Learnings ba? Okay. Paano matuto mag-trade, sir? Yun nga, I believe the best thing you can do is take action and go to have an Access Academy. Enroll. Huwag kang magdalawang isip. All right? So, ayan. Thank you. Maraming salamat. May mga questions pa ba? Wala na ata. Thank you. No, grabe yung 45 attendees nagstay until the end. I hope you learned something, okay? So, tonight, I believe wala na pong questions. Sir, sabi dito. Sir, kapag nag-avail po, how it works? Okay, very good question, Sir Alejandro. Once nag-avail ka po, no, message mo yung taong nagpapasok sa dito or yung page, they will send an instructions. And right after you enrolled, meron na pong step-by-step process na susundin nyo para madali na po kayong matuto. Okay? May iba naman magsasabi dito, sir, mag-aaral muna ako more. Yan nga yung purpose ng community. Bakit ka pa mag-aaral ng kung ano-ano dyan na masasearch mo lang sa YouTube na hindi ka naman sure? Why not dito na lang, 'di ba? Instead of wasting your time, 'di ba? Why not diretso ka na kung saan yung mas clear. Okay? Paano po pag di na maka-enroll ulit, sir? It's alright, walang problema. You will still be part of the community. What I love about this community, grabe talaga. Kasi meron tayong free training every Thursday, meron tayong chart mastery. Ganun. Okay? You're still part of the community. Then if you're gonna renew ulit, it's alright, no? At least meron ka pa ding inputs, okay? Sir MJ, yung Access Academy may specific timing. No, you can access anytime. Kasi ano mo yun eh, parang nag-enroll ka talaga, parang isipin mo na lang may course ka. May online course ka na binili. Parang ganun lang talaga. 149 is just a subscription, then how much? Very good question, no? Yes, the 149 is just for a month. However, Sir MJ, of course, meron pa tayong pera na iti-trade. Okay. Now, in our academy, in our program, on the first 1 to 2 weeks, we do not suggest you go for live trading already. Lalo na pag wala ka pa talagang idea. Kasi, of course, you will still learn, you will still absorb the learnings. wag muna. But good news, because we will teach you how to create a demo account wherein live yung charts, gagalaw yung charts, hindi yung peke-peke lang ha. Live yung charts, pero demo lang yung money. Okay? Pero, now, sir, if I'm ready already, magkano ba yung suggested? You can go for as low as $100 to $200. Okay? So kami guys, as in, concerned kami talaga sa inyo. Kahit nung isang araw nga, merong nag-message sa akin, sir, ready na ako, meron akong $3,000. Alam mo, sabi ko, nako po, parang 1 week ka pa. Wag muna, start with $100 kasi maraming time ka pa naman na kumita, lalo na pag alam mo na anong gagawin. Is it in peso? $149 po. Okay? Tsaka yung $645. Again, the difference is $149 dollars is 1 month, $645 6 months. Okay? The signal is daily, yes, up to 10 to 15 signals. But for me, okay yun, nakatulong. Pwede talaga yun, maganda din yun. But pwede mo din yung i-add up kay Manara. So, sa AI pattern scanner. Sir MJ, after 6 months, may renewal ba ulit? Yes. You can go for another 6 months or you can proceed with $99, Miss Carmelita. Ito si Miss Carmelita, I love the topic 6 months. Yun talaga yung gusto natin, 6 months, di ba? Sir MJ, if ever busy sa work, may broker din po pwede humandal. You do the trade, okay? Pero good question to kasi yung sa AI, meron tayong AI trade on a certain broker na it will do the auto trade for you. So I believe Miss Joy, yun yung perfect sa'yo. Pero kasama na yun once enrolled ka. Okay? Again, once enrolled ka na. Sir MG, wow, I love this. Miss Kelly, where to enroll po? Again, if you wanna enroll right now, message the person or the page na nagpapasok sa inyo dito or who gave you the link. Alright? So, is there any other question? Congratulations ahead sa mga magte-take action, no, today. Okay? So, I believe I'm done. Thank you so much everyone. Looking forward sa inyo sa GC and sa group page po natin. Thank you. God bless po. Have a good day everyone.